everyone, welcome back to the Taglog YouTube channel. For this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how you can recover your OneDrive account password. Now for that, what you need to do is tap open the application on your mobile device first. This will direct you to the home page. On the home page, you need to tap on sign in. Once you're at the home page, you need to type in your email or the phone number. Tap that and then tap on next. It will direct you to this page over here, and here you need to tap on forgot password to proceed for the recovery of your OneDrive account. Would you like to get your security code? You can tap on get code. With this, Microsoft will send you a code to the email address of yours for the recovery process. Tap on get code. Now you need to go and check your mail. Tap on the mail. There's the Microsoft mail on the top. You tap upon that. And now you need to copy this code from here. Tap on copy and paste it on this text box. Tap on paste and then tap on next. This will give you the verification of your email address with further process to change your password. Now you type in the new password over here. Retype the same password on the below text box. Then tap on next. Your password was changed successfully. Now you can tap on sign in and you can get logged in into the Microsoft OneDrive account of yours through the new password. Type in the new updated password for here. Then tap on sign in, which will get you logged in into the OneDrive account of yours. So this is how you can recover your OneDrive account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.